see, when you are 15 years married, you go to a chiropractor.
Lock, relax.
Oh God, oh my God.
Relax. What's up? You have lordosis. This is bad. This is in bad shape. Bones are getting deteriorated, if you see here.
And this is like चक्कर है, बहुत ज़्यादा चक्कर आ रहा है, इसकी वजह से
Vertigo. Yes. एक तो आपका lordosis है. Straight spine. This has to be fixed. So when this is fixed, automatically these will change. It's supposed to be like line here. See, this is perfect. These are perfect. But this is, if you leave it unaddressed, थोड़ा और protrusion होगा, degeneration होता है. Degeneration हो गया तो surgery.
That has been there like that since almost 14
It has to be addressed. This has to be. It has to go back. See, this is a single unit, right? ठीक है ना? So anywhere you have an impact, यहाँ पे लगा, you may slowly have problems here. Because it's single one, right? यहाँ पे लगा, यहाँ पे. That's what I said. If you've fallen down, 90% you will have pelvic tilt. Because when you're sitting also, your neck is one side. ठीक है ना? That means this is this side, up is this side. Other than that, it is curable. You know, we can manage to move without surgery in future.
That's what we want.
ठीक है ना? ठीक है. Let's go. Let's get to work. Sit down.
Facing this way.
Yeah. So you have vertigo also, right?
Yeah, I feel it.
Okay. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm just checking. Pain?
No.
No pain. Good. Pain?
No.
Okay. Pain?
Yeah.
Okay. Here
This
or here?
side.
Right. Turn. Rotation is good. Rotation is fine. See, when you turn this side, you're fine. But when you turn this side, you're pulling the whole side up.
Okay. But I have the pain.
You have the pain. There is a bulge here. C6, C7. Pain?
Yeah.
Pain?
Yeah.
कितना? इसमें ज़्यादा है, इसमें ज़्यादा है, इसमें ज़्यादा है. See, you know everything. Pain?
No, not
So shoulder movement is good. Nice. Here it is good. You do yoga?
I used to.
Okay.
I'm not able to do it now.
Okay.
I tried and I got stuck.
You got stuck in the back
Yeah.
and the neck. Okay. Come sit here. Here. You need to leave the hands down. Leave the hands down, both of them. That's one. It is just to release. Okay. That's two. It's nice, no?
It's crazy.
It's crazy. So now I will lock, relax.
Oh God, oh my God.
Kali. Now I'm here. Now it's locked. Relax. Relax. What's up? Oh, relax. That's one. Come, face down. Hey,
Face down.
relax. Pain?
Yeah.
Pain? ये पेन, ये पेन. So let's do this. Good.
This one I like.
This one you liked? चलो कुछ तो पसंद आया. I'm not doing anything. I'm just checking. Yeah, I know it is. That's where. See? Turn around, please. Relax. You don't do anything. Pull here. No pull. Pull? No pull. Okay, let me see. So you have numbness right now?
Yeah.
Okay. What? You're expecting something?
I have gone through this.
You've gone through this? Come.
Ouch, mommy.
Now you hug yourself. Right, drop your leg down. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2.
Oh God.
Yeah, I want you to get up, stand, and take a walk. You can give me your hand. Please get up and take a walk.
Many people go for this yoga and want fitness and all, but they're not able to do it. And it's damaging themselves and they're doing all this.
So there was pain here.
बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, but
So it has reduced. इधर it has gone down. यहाँ पे था. So majorly it is covered. Please face down. Of course, still.
What they're teaching is correct, but you should tell them.
Just get up, take a walk.
चक्कर बंद हो गए मेरे instantly. मैं नीचे नहीं देख पा रही थी.
कैसा है अभी? How are you feeling? You feel? Was it a good decision?
Definitely.